Hello everyone, welcome for coming Code for Everybody. My name is Coco. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to program in Python especially. Actually, this is one of the most, the basic level. And then I just want to teach you the basic Python problems and tutorial basics by introducing you walking you through the basic question. The first question is stated like this. Write a program which will find all such numbers which are divisible by 3 but are not multiple of 5, between 1000 and 5000, and both included. The numbers obtained should be printed in a comma-separated sequence on a single line. So let's take a look at these questions and which sort of algorithm or which mechanism that we should use to solve this problem. Maybe for someone this can be really tricky, or for the most, maybe I guess that for the most people who have experience coding in Python, this problem would seem to be really easy and straightforward. So in order for us to start, there are multiple ways to start, but I want to start by defining a function using def command, shortcut for defining certain function. And because this one is asking the output of numbers, I'll just say, okay, this is the function constructed by numbers. And we need a loop here because it's asking certain limited boundary from 1000 to 5000. So I want to start with a loop for I in range, starting from 1000, and it will add 5000. But as both lower bound and upper bound should be included, I want to stop at 5001. And if I want to print this out, we can see what those numbers are. And by the way, this line is basically calling this function after we define it. And once we print it out, as you can see here, this I would start from the 1000 and it will stop at 5000. Fortunately, this is taking a long time, but I just want to demonstrate like how the Python loop works for the beginner people. And yeah, as you can see, and let's take a look at the last value of this item. As you can see, this is 5000 here. So that's pretty much it. And over these numbers, we want to print them out later by storing in a certain container. And I want to define that as a list here. And we probably need to store those elements into this list, but we need an if statement here because there are conditions which are divisible by 3 but are not multiple of 5. So if that number is divisible by 3, this mod operator tells me whether this number's mod 3 is equals 0, means whether this number is completely divisible by number 3, and at the same time this number is not a multiple of 5. That means once we divide this number by 5, the remainder is not equal to 0. Then next step I want to do is I want to store in Python. It's a append command. In this list, the empty list, into this given empty list, I want to append that number. But at this time I want to change it to string because later on I want to manipulate this string and then print it out as a comma-separated sequence, which was the string value. So right now, as you can see, if we want to print this out, the string will just, the empty list containers will be filled up with all the numbers that are divisible by 3, but they are not multiple of 5. And here, we want to print it out, the result, by using join command. So what I'm saying here is what this line basically does is I want to join whatever the elements in this list separated by comma or based on the comma. So let's try to print this out and see which result that we get. So as we see here, these numbers are the results of this function that is divisible by 3, but they're not divisible by 5. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you can subscribe my channel, and please press like if you like this video, and I'll keep posting the following problems on my YouTube channel, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.